In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tag in contacts in Go High Level. Tags help you organize and segment your audience so you can filter lists, trigger automations, and send the right messages to the right people. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can apply tags confidently without touching anything else in your account. Keep your app open and follow along while I explain each action and why it matters. Start on your Go High Level dashboard and head to the Contacts area from the main menu on the left. This is where all of your leads and customers live. When you open Contacts, you'll see a searchable list with names and other details. If you have many records, use the search bar or filters to find the person you need. The goal is simply to reach the contact profile where you want the tag to appear. Open the contact you want to update by clicking its name to load the full profile view. This page summarizes activity, communication history, and custom fields, and it's also where tags live. Give the page a moment to load if your connection is slow. Scan for the Tags section on the Profile Details panel. It's usually visible without scrolling, but depending on your layout or screen size, you might need to glance around the basic info area to spot it. Next, click the small plus icon beside the tag area. That plus sign is your shortcut for adding tags to this contact. When you click it, a selector opens that lists the tags available in your account. Take a second to read the options so you attach the most relevant label. Clear, specific tags make segmentation easier later, and they help your team understand status at a glance. Now select the tags you want to apply. You can choose one or multiple, and you can search within the selector if the list is long. As soon as you choose them, you'll see the tags appear on the contact profile. In most cases, the change saves automatically, so there's no separate Save button to find. If you make a mistake, remove a tag by deselecting it in the selector or clearing it from the profile. Before leaving, double-check the tags are visible. Consistent naming, like using singular words and avoiding duplicates, keeps your workspace clean and makes automation more reliable. That's all you need to add a tag to a contact in Go High Level. With the tags in place, you're set up for cleaner lists, smarter filters, and better targeting.